Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jorge, and of course this is my Procharged Pontiac G8 GT. And today we have a special treat for you guys because, like I mentioned in the earlier video, we're going to take this thing on the dyno and see how much more power it's made since we've increased the boost. So stay tuned, guys. But first, guys, how about I give you guys a nice cold startup from the front side. Typically everyone does the back. Hopefully you guys can hear this nice Procharger whine actually. Oh yeah. That right there is the whine. You guys can hear that. What do you guys think? This thing is amazing and it sounds so much better. I can't wait to show you guys the way it sounds on the dyno. That's gonna be awesome. You're gonna hear such loud whines, and with the hood up, it's a completely different story. So for now, we're gonna go get some gas and then head over to my cousin's and ride along with him in his, go get his supercharged Camaro and see what these cars can do. Catch you guys at the dyno. Shell V-Power Nitro. Hopefully that fuel's what gives us that little extra oomph to make it over the 700 mark. Alright guys, fueling is done. Now it's off to go see what this car can do. Turn this baby bad boy on. Man, that sounds beautiful. Well guys, we made it here to MTI Technologies. Got the G8 cooling down, it's in line, ready to go make some dyno pulls. So hopefully we get that 700. Check this out. They've got all these nice Corvettes here. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Houston Fast. This one's probably really nice. And then inside we've got a bunch. This is the shop at MTI. Anyways, looks like we're got a little bit more to go, but everything else looks great. I think I haven't looked at the numbers, so I don't know what the car is going to be running, but I don't know if this dyno is a happy dyno or a stingy dyno, but I guess we'll find out. Well guys, we are up next after this next car goes up, so we are almost there, almost ready. I'm excited. The highest car that's put a number down on their dyno has been 724 by a CTSV. Let's see if we can beat that. Let's see if we can beat that. I think we can. I hope we can. If not, as long as I get that 700, I think we'll be just fine. The car's ready. They'll be moving it in, and hopefully I can do a nice little data log so I can see what the car does and send that over and get a little better idea of what's happening and maybe even a little update too. There we go. Hopefully. These places are not car friendly. Not too bad. Not too bad. Getting nervous and anxious. Alright guys, so the car is strapped down and it's ready. hopefully it does some good numbers. $675. Well, first pull down, $675. $675 first pull. And 653. 675. That's what 653 got hot. Well, put 675, guys. We're gonna look at the logs and see what it does. But ran pretty good. Go ahead and pause that. All right, we're good. $579 on that last one. 656. Damn, guys, that mag is doing work. That is some good power right there. All right, guys, we got a 6th gen Procharged with MET on a smaller P1. Let's see how this one does. $572. Man, that's still good, but yeah, he's doing them in 4th gear, so.
That's what I was talking out last night.
Yeah. Yeah. Woo! 570 something, guys. 572 is pretty good, not bad for a P1. Here we go again. Oh man. Pretty consistent. 568, 572. Let's call that 570. Well, guys, that is a wrap here at MTI. The car put down 675 to the wheels at 6100 RPM. The second pull, the logs showed to have a little issue, but we'll go back and look at that. Seemed like it was drop and boost in the upper RPM, so we'll have to go back, check that out. But other than that, the car did really well. 675 at 6100 RPMs. Can't complain with that, and I believe it was in 4th gear too, so I don't know if that changes numbers any or any of that, but I know 3rd gear pulls is what typically, I believe, I got the 680 in the last time. So we'll go back home and I'll send the logs over to Pat G and he'll look them over and let me know what he thinks. Well, guys, we are back home. The car is back in the garage, and just to kind of recap, the car put down 675 horsepower at 6100 RPM, but anything above 6100 we started getting some belt slip, so went back and looked at the logs, and I was actually getting the same exact belt slip at the track. So that could have caused some issues, you know, trying to run that 10. So my next step is to try and order the next size smaller belt, and hopefully that I can make that fit and give the tensioner some more tightness to it. I mean, the belt is on there really tight, but whenever you're making that much power, you know, tensioners tend to go bad, so, and they tend to flex. So I'm gonna order the next size belt down and try to fit it on with that pulley. Hopefully that works well. Right now the tensioner itself is actually at its max. I really can't tension it anymore, so that's why I have to go to that smaller belt. But overall, the car did great. It still put down one of the highest numbers that they had there, so I'm excited about that. For just being on pump gas and no methanol, no cooling, anything like that, it's doing a really, really great job. So that's next video. I'll probably try that smaller belt and just keep going at it, guys. I've got a couple things I can do with it, so hopefully if everything goes well, I'll show you guys everything I have planned in the future. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what are the kind of things you would like to see. I do have my SS here, and I am, like I said in many other videos, I am going to start trying to tune that stuff myself. So hopefully everything goes well, and I might be tuning this thing here pretty soon. So stay tuned for that, guys. But anyways, you guys have a great one. Enjoy your weekend, day, whatever, whenever you guys are watching this. And I hope to see you guys next time.